Hello everyone. For a long time now I've been interested in the way magicians use technology to create illusions. But the truth is that the secret behind many illusions is technology. The challenge for magicians is to hide it. Today I'd like to show you something I developed recently that dives into that question on how magicians create magic in a technological age. So here we go. Magicians have always stayed ahead of the technology curve. Their illusions accomplish what technology cannot. But what happens when the technology of the day seems almost magical? What happens when you can do this? 100 years ago, that would have been the magic of levitation. Is it possible to create illusions in a world where technology makes anything possible? Jump! Once upon a time, that would have been magic. Today, it is a trick of technology. But still, our imagination is more powerful than our reasoning, and it's easy to attribute personality to machines. They are quadcopters, but they are more than mechanical flying machines. They analyze the environment around them and react to everything I do. Advanced algorithms allow these autonomous machines to fly in close formation, aware of each other, aware of me. Mathematics that can be mistaken for intelligence, and intelligence for personality. Anthropomorphism. That's the illusion. An illusion created by technology and embroidered by our imagination to become an intelligent flying robot, a machine that appears to be alive. I think they said hello. That's it. Guys, time to go home. Over here. Come on. Come on, everybody. Quickly. You can all fit in there. A little bit to the left. I know it's a tight squeeze. Come on. Everybody, there you go. Well, I want to thank my technology partners, Parrot and Tronisos, for making this presentation possible. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.